this is VK and this is the coordinate geometry part 2. Now the topic is distance between 2 points. To find the distance between 2 points in a Cartesian plane. Now let me draw a Cartesian plane. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is the origin. Mark this as 0, 0 at the coordinates of origin. Now let's take 2 points A and B on the Cartesian plane. I'll take it as here. Now let the coordinates of A be x1 and y1, and let the coordinates of B be x2 and y2. To find the distance between A and B, construct a right angle triangle. Now mark this point as C. The C should have this coordinate x2 and y1. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate, and this is the right angle. So this is the hypotenuse. Now let me apply the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem is side square plus side square is equals to hypotenuse square. If you have any doubt about the Pythagoras theorem, check out my last video about the Pythagoras theorem. It is in the description box. Okay, now by applying the Pythagoras theorem, the length of AC is the difference between these two coordinates, which is x2 and x1. Let me take it as x2 minus x1, the difference. x2 minus x1 is one side, so whole square, plus now this side BC. The BC's length is the difference between this y coordinates, which is y2 and y1. y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to the length of this AB line segment whole square. And this I applied the Pythagoras theorem. Now by transposing this to this square, or in the LHS side, we'll get a square root. So square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to line segment AB. Now this is the formula used to measure the distance between 2 points in a Cartesian plane. Now we got clear about that. Now let me take another concept in the same technique. Let me draw another Cartesian plane. So this is the origin. Now to find the distance between origin and a point in a Cartesian plane, let me take A is here and the coordinates of A as x comma y. Let us assume this is x comma y, and the coordinates of this are 0, 0. So to find the length between these two, apply this formula, which is under root of x2, which is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equals to this AO. Now under root of x square plus y square. Now this is the formula used to derive the distance between the origin and any point. Now let's go to another topic, which is section formula. The section formula is applied when a point divides a line segment into 2 parts. Now let me draw a Cartesian plane again. This is the origin, and this is A and this is B. So this is the line segment AB. Now the point P divides AB in the ratio of m is to n. So the section formula, A has the coordinates x1 and y1, let us assume it, and B has the coordinates x2 and y2. Now the section formula is to find the coordinates of P, which is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. This is the x coordinate, and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is the y coordinate. So this is the section formula. Now let us take an example. Point P divides a line segment AB in the ratio of 1:2, and the coordinates of A are 2, 2 and B are 4, 4. Now to solve this problem and to find the coordinates of P, we need to use this formula. M is 1 and N is 2. Let us substitute these values in this formula. So 1 into x2 is 4 plus n is 2 and x1 is 2. So 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2, comma. So the same thing comes here, plus 2 into 2 by 1 plus 2. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. 4 plus 4 by 3, comma 4 plus 4 by 3. We'll get 8 by 3, 8 by 3. This is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. This is how to solve the problems with the section formula. Now let's take another small concept in the section formula. Now if P divides AB in the I'll not tell the ratio. P is the midpoint of AB line segment. Now guess what would be the ratio that P divides AB line segment? It's of course 1:1, because this is the midpoint and the length of AP and the length of PB are same. Now by substituting these formulas, M is 1 and N is 1 because this is the midpoint. Now by substituting these formulas, x2 plus x1 by 1 plus 1, comma, y2 plus y1 by 1 plus 1 is equals to x2 plus x1 by 2, comma, y2 plus y1 by 2. This is how to find the coordinates of a midpoint of a line segment. Now, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want to watch more videos from me. And if you think this is helpful, please like, and if you think this is helpful for others as well, please share.